Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is we are going to unbox the first ever smartwatch that I unboxed here in our channel, and this is the new and improved Y68 smartwatch in this year 2023. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and I'm very excited guys because we have here another watch. This is the Y68 smartwatch, and I think this is the new version and in this 2023. As you might not know guys, this is the first smartwatch that makes me decide to become a YouTuber and also to focus on the smartwatch niche. And I'm very happy guys to receive another bracelet, which is the Y68 smartwatch guys. So without further ado guys, let's open this one. Okay, so at the back of the device guys, so we have here the heart rate, blood pressure, step, incoming call, WeChat, QQ, Twitter, Facebook, alarm clock, photo control, sedentary reminder, and mileage. Okay, I am pretty happy that we get to unbox and receive watch like this, which is the Y68 smartwatch. So these are the instructions guys. So this is the improved instructions of the Y68 smartwatch. All right, and okay, the instruction on how to turn it off, and also the wrist strap installation. So these are the videos guys that I actually makes my channel grow because of these tutorials. But in the improved and the new Y68 smartwatch, they already have this instruction on how to install and of course how to charge. Yes, I'm pretty happy, and as content creator, this makes me really happy knowing that they already included this. I think they have already listened, or they listen to their customers, because this is the usual questions that I get in my channel. And thanks for for the manufacturer for having included this in their manual. And then of course we have here the fit here, this application. Set that aside, and then okay, we have here, yes, the watch itself. Yes, it's actually more like the same with the previous Y68 that we had, that was like 2 or 3 years ago. But as you can see guys, it has more like curved in here on the sides. Yes, and let's take a look at the feature guys. Okay, and here I believe the sensors. Okay, and I think this is the protector, so I think we shouldn't remove this one, but if you want, you can also remove this one also. So let's turn it on guys. So it says hello. All right, okay, so in the watch guys, so you can still get the default watch face. Okay, and you can try to long press. You can change this to another watch faces. Okay, and it also vibrates, and it looks nice guys, because I don't know, but in my case I like the curve in here on the sides. Yes, okay, and they also still has the steps. Okay, steps counter. So let's try to, and also the the heart rate, and also the oxygen. So these are the sensors, they're lighting up, but guys, these are just reference. Yes, you shouldn't use or rely this if you have any serious problems. Okay, and okay, we have here like running. We have the sports and the messages. So you can connect this one guys to your smartphone, and it has also has the music control. Okay, so you need to connect this one to your smartphone. And we have here more. Okay, sleep, weather, camera, find phone, reset, and the QR code. Okay, that's basically it, guys. So, this is the Y68 smartwatch in 2023, and it's nice, guys. Yeah, for a very, very affordable price, you can already get this, smartwatch for your kid. You don't have to give your kid an expensive watch, okay, or to your friend or special someone, especially if you're on a tight budget. So this can be a good smartwatch for them in this Christmas season. So wow, I'm really happy to have this smartwatch again. Yes, in 2023. Okay, guys, so it's very light, so it's perfect for a Christmas present. So if you're interested, guys, you can tap on the link in the description box, and you can, check them out and see it to yourself if you want to get this as a present in this holiday season. All right, so guys, I don't know, I'm really happy to have this smartwatch again. Okay, and I just also want to say thank you everyone for being with me in this journey as a content creator, and I will be uploading and reviewing more videos here in our channel. And to my solid subscribers, thank you so much. I couldn't be in my in my journey as a YouTuber if without you guys. So again, thank you so much, and yes, I will be uploading more videos. And guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. It's Josh, and I will see you on our next video.